Hey there, in this video, I really want to share with you how you can get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. Now, I'm not going to talk about the obvious ways to get followers on TikTok, like posting consistently or using TikTok hashtags. Instead, I'm going to reveal to you the exact 3 tips that I personally use to grow my account to over 1,000 followers on TikTok. And no one seems to be talking about these tips. In fact, I think this is the most valuable video that I've made yet, because there's been times where I've posted a video to TikTok and I've gotten lots of followers, and there's been other times where I've posted a video to TikTok and I've gotten a big fat 0 number of followers. So in this video, I'm going to reveal why that was the case. And I know by the end of this video that you are going to change something about your TikTok growth strategy. So if you're wondering how to grow followers on TikTok, then keep watching. If you're new here, I'm Melissa, and on this channel, I create a video each week that helps brands and content creators take their brand to the next level on social media. So if you find this video valuable, then feel free to subscribe and you can get more content just like this. Let's start with number 3, with how to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. Repurpose your TikTok videos. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, we're all different, right? And we all consume content in a different way. For me personally, I'm a really visual person. That means that I really enjoy reading a book, and I find that a lot easier to do rather than listening to an audio book, because I like to see the words in front of me. And that's the same on TikTok. When you post a video, and I know this has happened to me, you spend all this time and energy creating a TikTok video and you think that it is the one, like it's going to get you so many followers on TikTok, and it hardly gets any views. Before you think that the video is just not good, why don't you repurpose it? So why don't you make changes to your TikTok video? In fact, would it help if I just give you an example? So this is a video I posted on TikTok, and then 6 weeks later, I repurposed this video and also posted it to TikTok. Now, the first thing you probably notice is that the text on screen is different. So I've used different text and a different color combination. But if we just click play, you will also see that I've used subtitles in this video. Now, can you guess which video performed better? Come on. It was this one. The video I posted 6 weeks later. I know, I was really surprised as well. So the key takeaway here is, instead of posting your TikTok video once, think about how you can repurpose your TikTok video, especially if you thought that it should have got more views. Now, I'm not saying to do this for every single TikTok video. Be selective with what videos you want to repurpose. And some ideas include using subtitles or not. Personally, I use subtitles for most of my TikTok videos, but there might be a video that you post that potentially doesn't need subtitles. Another idea is using different color combinations on screen or different text, which is that video hook at the start of the video. What's best of all, by making these small changes, you're going to appeal to more people on TikTok, and it's going to give you a better opportunity to get more followers on TikTok, because the first video that you post may appeal to a certain group of people versus the second video that you post may appeal to a wider group of people. So think about how you can repurpose your videos on TikTok so that you can get more followers. Number 2, with how to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok is film 2 versions of your TikTok video. The first few seconds of a TikTok video is so important. We want to make sure that your TikTok video stops someone from scrolling, that they watch your TikTok video and then they decide to follow you on TikTok. That's going to help you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. Now, this is really important, so make sure you're listening. When you're thinking about your TikTok video, or when you're filming your TikTok video, film 2 different versions. Just like in this example here, these are 2 videos that I filmed. They both have the same concept. I'm sharing a free tool that content creators can use to have a look at their pricing as a content creator. But what you would notice is that I'm using the free tool, but I'm actually using 2 different examples. So I'm showing a different content creator in this video versus another content creator in this video. But if you want to get 1,000 followers on TikTok, film a different video hook. You can see in both of these videos that the video hook is different. The reason why filming different video hooks is really powerful is because it means that your video is going to be more accessible to more people on TikTok, and you're going to be able to grow your account. So the key takeaway here is when you are filming your TikTok video, think about how you can film it in two different ways. It doesn't have to be hugely different. You can just tweak the video hook and maybe use a different example, and that is going to help you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. If you're liking this type of content, can you please help me out with a like? That way I know that you are really enjoying this type of content, and it means that I can create more content just like this. I'm really excited to get into number 1 of how to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. So let's get into it. TikTok filming style. I think I'm going to share a little bit about my story to help explain why your TikTok filming style is really important with helping you to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. So when I first started to post TikTok videos and I created a TikTok account, I was filming most of my TikTok videos indoors with a brick wall behind me. So it was like the same sort of TikTok video. And then what I did was I actually changed my filming style. Now I know there's a lot of really successful people on TikTok that have huge communities, and they might just film in the same spot like this for every single video. And that's fine, okay, they've built their amazing big community. But when you're trying to get to 1,000 followers, it's best to test different filming styles. So what I did is that I started to film TikTok videos when I was walking around my home. I also filmed TikTok videos where I was sitting in different areas of my home, and also I filmed TikTok videos when I was walking outdoors. And what I noticed was that not only was I more confident and comfortable on screen, but some of these videos got a lot more views than when I was just indoors and sitting in the same space time after time. So as you are trying to grow your TikTok account and get to 1,000 followers on TikTok, think about how you can use different types of filming styles, whether that's walking outdoors, or maybe it's just showing the screen so your face doesn't actually appear in the TikTok video. Try to use different areas of your home, and then also have like a nice space set up like this, where you can also use that as a filming background. I'm gonna give you a bonus tip because you're still with me. When you are filming outside, it can be a little bit daunting. Like you might be worried that people are looking at you and wondering what you're doing. So the best thing that you can do is actually get your phone. Actually, wait there, I'm just gonna go grab my phone and I'm gonna show you. I'll be right back. I'm back. So grab your phone, and then these are so handy. These are my AirPods. So basically you can pop your AirPods in, they act as a microphone, and then when you're filming, just act like you're on FaceTime to someone. No one will know. And that is gonna help you come across more comfortable and confident on camera when you're creating your TikTok video. So just give it a go, try different filming styles, and that is gonna help you get 1,000 followers on TikTok. I'm really excited for you. Yay! You now know how to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok by following these 3 tips, which include repurposing your TikTok videos, film 2 TikTok videos on the same concept, and finally, change up your filming style for your TikTok videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. Feel free to subscribe if you found this valuable, and I'll see you next time.